I specialize in helping people get their first fourplex. Like, that's what I've done. That's what I love. Fourplex, don't even look at a duplex, look at a fourplex. Like, I can go into a tirade on that. Fourplex. Really.
Well, it might not be super soon, but I think I'll have to keep in touch, because if that's the case, yeah, anytime, especially for our first one.
3 different people buy their first fourplex right now at this very minute. Yeah. Just start looking at LoopNet and Realtor.com and Zillow and Redfin. Just find a couple of fourplexes. I'll help you look at them.
And Alex, that's sooner than you think, Alex, because he can help you with the
It's more or less
down payment.
It's more or less the down payment, more or less. That's what I'm looking at. Is
don't worry about it.
John's over here like, you're wrong, boy, you're wrong. I'm just a whole buyer mentality over here. I'm not thinking investor mentality for investment deals, and then I think I'm being a home buyer. I'm doing it the home buyer way, you know.
Yeah, look at my LinkedIn post today. Go look at my LinkedIn post, because like, I get this conversation 3 times a week. Oh, I'm waiting for the rates to come down. I'm waiting for this X moment.
Well, I'm not waiting for rates to come down. It's more or less saving up for the down payment right now.
You don't need down payment.
You don't need it.
I am watching people every single day buy their first home without a down payment. It's happening. There are programs out there. Go to Little Rock, find your housing partner. There's going to be a down payment assistance organization. Start with what's called an IDA, individual development account, and they will match you $1 to $5. For every dollar you put in, they will give you $5. Yeah, let's have this conversation. You can buy a house in the next 6 months.
Is that IDHA or IDA?
IDA, individual development account.
Cool. John, I know that you and I both have our money mental to get to.
Yeah.
We should peace out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just one thing right before we head out, John, I just appreciate the time that you were able to give us today. I'll definitely follow up with you on setting up another meeting about, first time, because I think it'll be a lot easier with my wife, because she's just finishing up school. So she'll have her full-time job here shortly. So it's kind of a thing that here shortly we were looking for the first one. Definitely will take you up on that opportunity. And again, I've enjoyed this call so much. Seth, thank you for allowing us to do this call. Wealth of knowledge has been consumed here,
Thank you. There were so many people who helped me that I feel like that is the thing that I am supposed to do. I love helping people get started. Like, it is I'm grinning from ear to ear. Yeah.
That's what I love about real estate, is that there is a market of people who do help with each other. It's not something that you see in other businesses or stuff like that all the time. And if it is, it has to come with a cost. So
couldn't do this as an attorney. You couldn't do this as a doctor. You couldn't do this as an electrician. Like, real estate is the one industry where it's literally generational knowledge being passed on from one person to another. It's crazy.
It is.
Awesome. All right. Talk soon, guys.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Love you, dude.